Let me ask you something. What if your bank account grew while you were asleep? While you were at dinner, watching Netflix, or just living your life? Money was coming in. That's not a fantasy. That's passive income. And in 2026, more Americans are building it than ever before. Over 28% of Americans now report having at least one passive income stream, up from just 16% 5 years ago. So the question isn't whether passive income is real. The question is, why aren't you on that list yet? Today, breaking down 5 passive income ideas that actually work right now, with real numbers, real platforms, and zero fluff. Let's go. Side hustle hackers, welcome back to Cashflow Hacks. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because we drop content like this every single week. Let's get into it. Number 1. High-yield savings accounts. The no-brainer starter. I know what you're thinking. That's boring. But listen to this. As of June 2026, the top high-yield savings accounts are offering up to 5.0% APY. That's more than 13 times higher than the national average of just 0.38%. According to the FDIC, that means if you've got $10,000 sitting in a regular bank account right now, you are leaving hundreds of dollars on the table every single year. Platforms like Vero, Axos, and Sophie are leading the pack. The Fed has kept rates steady in 2026, with the target range sitting between 3.5% and 3.75%, which means these rates are holding strong. Is this going to make you rich? No, but this is your foundation. Safe, liquid, and earning while you sleep. Start here. Fortner Dwalabant 2 Dividend ETFs. Let the market pay you. This one is a wealth builder. A dividend ETF is basically a basket of stocks that pay you cash every single quarter just for owning them. The most popular one right now is SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. SCHD has delivered a 13% annualized total return since its launch, growing a $10,000 investment to over $32,000 as of early 2026. Right now, it's paying a dividend yield of 3.27% annually. But here's where it gets powerful. Dividend reinvestment, also called DRIP. SCHD has a 10-year dividend growth rate of 9.29% per year. That means your dividend payments keep growing year after year. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to be consistent. Even $100 a month invested into a dividend ETF can snowball into serious income over time. This is how wealthy people stay wealthy. They own assets that pay them. The Street plus 2 Number 3 Real estate crowdfunding. Own property without buying property. A few years ago, if you wanted to invest in real estate, you needed a massive down payment, a mortgage, and a whole lot of stress. Not anymore. Platforms like Fundrise have completely changed the game. Fundrise lets you start investing in real estate with as little as $10, and it owns over 20,000 residential units across the United States. Their historical annual returns have averaged around 8 to 9%. You're not managing tenants. You're not fixing toilets. You just invest, and you collect quarterly dividends from rental income and property appreciation. Now, full transparency, Fundrise's average return across 2018 to 2025 was roughly 6.8% annually, and your money isn't as liquid as a savings account. But for long-term passive wealth building, real estate exposure at $10 is something our parents never had access to. ARC 7 plus 2 Number 4. Digital products create once, get paid forever. This is the one that most people sleep on, and it's costing them. A digital product is anything you create digitally that can be sold over and over again with zero extra effort. eBooks, templates, online courses, Notion dashboards, printables created once, uploaded, and it sells on autopilot. The creator economy reached $250 billion in 2025, and digital products are now the most accessible path to earning money while you sleep. The global digital products market is projected to reach $950 billion in 2026. Real creators are pulling in $2,000 to $8,000 a month after just 6 to 18 months. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy handle all the delivery and payments. Your job is just to create something people actually need. A budgeting template, a workout plan, a beginner's guide to investing, and let the internet sell it for you while you sleep. ID Profungi SBN 5. Index Fund Investing the Slow Lane to Millions. I saved this one for last because it's the most powerful and the most underestimated. When you invest in an index fund like VU or VTI, you're buying a tiny piece of every major company in America. Over 30 years, investing just $500 per month into VTI or VU at an 8 to 10% average annual return turns into over $1.1 million. That's not a typo. $1.1 million from $500 a month. You don't pick stocks. You don't time the market. You just keep investing every single month and let compound interest do the work. Warren Buffett literally told everyday investors to put their money in index funds. That's not advice you ignore. Richifiers the bottom line. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems, layer by layer, until your money works harder than you do. Start with a high-yield savings account. Add a dividend ETF. Get into real estate through crowdfunding. Create a digital product. Invest consistently in index funds. These 5 streams together, that's how you build a financial life other people dream about. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to push this to more people who need it. Subscribe to CashFlow Hacks for more real Please money content every week. And drop a comment below. Which one of these are you starting with? I read every single one.